How long does it take to fill this entire engine up with smoke from the intake hose all the way to the oil cap? Today we're going to find out with the AutoLine Pro Ventus. No cuts, no butts, no coconuts. One single video clip. Let's go. And we're off. Oh, there we go. We got smoke wisping at 1 minute and 3 seconds. Look at that. We're already starting to get some smoke trickling up. Now that is with the throttle body closed in the off position. So that means that that smoke is making its way through the vacuum lines, through the positive crankcase ventilation system, or the breather system as some people like to call it, all the way into the valve cover, all the way up to the oil cap. So that just goes to show how much volume this little machine can push out. She works strong and she works hard and she runs forever.